kunzima kuba i-rockstar, my guys. Good tough.
Yeah, boy, yes. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our Tuk channel.
We're back in it.
Back in it. This is banelewjlm and this is
Kush, you know
the vibe. Welcome back to another Tuk channel. But to please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, and my bell. We're back with another episode, another video, whatever. Another hot one.
Get them warmed up. This topic is going to be hot.
It's going to be hot. Once again, my friends, thank you so much for the support. And we're trying. We slowly but surely we're getting there.
We're gonna get there to the 1,000.
1,000 subscribers. Now, please make sure we need to get this YouTube channel to at least 1,000 subscribers before Lomnyaka upele. Then, but it's because I'm talking to rockstars here. They're gonna share, they're gonna comment, and they're gonna spread it. So I think it's now 1 point something.
At least, yeah. Before we go to 2023.
Before we go to 2022,
bro. Already more than half of the year is gone.
Bro, it's 2022, bro.
Going for 2023 now.
Siyaguga phela namhla njalo. Futhi siyaguga nekuguga ekseni.
You know how we feel about
But bro, right now is sinking in what is 2023, bro.
Yeah, basically going to 2023.
You know, until we had that whole year COVID, let's not about
exactly. So
which year was it?
2020 and a bit of 2021.
And a bit of 2021. Yo,
it feels like we should be discounted those years.
Except 2023, bro,
was non-existent.
And I'm still singing.
No, I feel you.
Bro,
that's another pandemic.
When I was still singing, I say Banele from Banele. I would say, bro, disclaimer, ever since I've known this guy, I've never seen his girlfriend. I'm starting to get worried. Yeah, let's say. What's out there?
Nah, man.
We can't understand this. We can't understand. Nah,
it wasn't me trying to make you understand.
You know, I still got you. No matter what the other team, I still got you. Come clean, my guy.
Come clean. Bring me some hands.
Which ones? Tell me, Pela. Can't still hands.
No, I'm talking about the hands that you have. We are more than we rockstar or attractor.
Hey, bro. I mean, I'm singing. How am I still singing? Just nothing as stylish. I look like rockstar sitting and look for that. Now what then? You will So right now, we just back with another episode.
Sweethearts are inside the comment section.
Sweethearts, what baby?
Hey, what baby? Back my comment section. I'm telling you right now.
Yo, I go bad. Namuhle, when I want to tell namhla. Except, when was the last time we were in a relationship? Before we get to the things that we're about to talk about today. When was the last time we were in a relationship?
What is that? Sex and question.
When was the last time you were in a relationship? What you learning German sometimes?
Oh.
Yeah. Apart from family.
Yeah, without I love my family, man.
No, what learning German info but that I would say times.
How?
What's how?
I can't even remember.
Bro.
I can't even remember.
It's been that bad. Hey!
Yeah, when again.
I'm how many ngiyabachills ngiyabathanza ngoba bayafista ngiyabathanza.
Ubathanza as friends or ubathanza
asikafiki ke lapho. Isela ngathi nanini kubathi ngiyabathanza vele bayathi ngiyabathanza.
Phela vele ngikukhuluma nge-relationship. Mawukhuluma nge-relationship.
Okay, ngiyabathanza vele relationship.
Ubathanzela nje
relationship.
How?
Yeah, relationship.
Okay. So sinje bonke labantu laba
bobani lobakhomba.
How? Bokhomba bobani I saw you say you tell them every day ukuthi abathanza.
Ayi, so ufuna yona nyalo kuphuzukwenza listen, namhla steady topic lana lenye wena.
Yeah,
bro, we here to talk about because earlier today we were talking about weed.
Yeah.
In Sang, we call it Swazi Gold. Yeah. You know, we call it Swazi Gold. The reason why we call it Swazi Gold in Luca, but we have the best. But we have the best weed in the country.
Yeah.
We've had comments. We have people coming in the country.
We have people coming from abroad. Just
But
Chidena came all the way.
Chidena was smoking weed here and he spoke about it. But USA Breakfast Club. But Snoop Dogg apparently, but the last time I was South Africa, he had a taste of Swazi weed and stuff. We don't know how true is that, but
a lot of people speak highly of Swazi Gold.
Yeah, Swazi Gold.
Yeah.
Gantsine beside Swazi Gold in sugar. But apparently it's weed, but we have the best weed. And nothing from siyathi ukuthi umembu ngasaba ukuthi nawakhutha ubukela but why experience with have you ever been high? Ungacambe mama.
No, I've never been.
Are you serious, bro?
Serious, bro.
Are you looking forward to it?
To getting high? It's not something I do.
You know what this guy said in the States? Sorry to cut you off. This guy said the only person longa when I was spending intro longa phone again ntombatana lo ithandzako lenhle loyifuna. So if not coming from Batani, if you go now, village,
yeah,
you cook it dibache, it's in me. You can take a couple of puffs, bro.
I know. I'm telling you now, like you know, there's certain things.
Okay, there's certain things.
You know, there's certain things that I won't be peer pressure into. Some things really you can be like, boy, this is worth it.
Boy, it's dibache, dog. It's weed. It's herbs. That's what they.
Even when I look at it, bro, like you know when you're watching on TV, especially when you're a kid, you're watching these people, but baby son, when you see them, they're like they're super relaxed. I'm like, it doesn't even seem like a vibe, you know? Okay, okay.
But comment section.
Yeah,
it doesn't seem like a vibe. You've never done it before. No edibles, nothing.
No, I'm trying to even think about. Okay, the thing is, I looked at it and I'm looking at it on TV. I'm like, okay, I see these people. I'm like. At least when you're watching people get drunk, see them get excited, they're hyper. I feel like I don't want to be okay. I don't know what those people were on, what meat they were on, but they seem like their reactions were slightly slow. I'm like, I'm gonna take anything. But there's no weed that makes you just like.
Ngesikhuluma ngoba awuyazi ngone besikhuluma waba experience
that's why I'm asking you
so I wanted us to talk about it because I think the reason why ngicabanga ukuthi lokuthi thine okay yeah fact we have the best weed bengifuna ukubeka point ukuthi ke imagine ukuthi if because weed by the way you have to make it clear out there. What do you say about weed? Is it legal? Or but nyalo you can actually go apply to have weed. You have to go
like getting a license or something.
But the license go hard.
But they say it's hard work.
But it's a lot of work. You have to pay a lot of money. Yeah, so the thing is, because since COVID, we've been in COVID, we've been in lockdown, and developing for better slow. Me, another point ukuthi weed beyikhona iyasibamba simo lamanye imindeni yabo because I know I've worked on other places in the country where they're good with weed. I feel like bafunzile abantu bayetikolweni bakhatindlu tintwana letincane tinetimoto once went to a location I once went to some location I once went around in Kitsini, bro. I saw younger kids, they're younger even bro, they have cars, they have houses, bro.
I was also like there are people who are telling me but there's like a lot of bills that people were able to pay.
Bro, they were selling, bro. They're selling weed. Except, bro, I was shocked. Yeah, I think labancane, bro. They're pushing nice cars. They have nice, bro, well-furnished houses. Then I was like, yeah, this thing, you know, in as much as it's illegal for me, that's where I was like,
But I also think, I don't know, you can fact check. But even in Amsterdam, Netherlands, they actually making this thing like it's legal. They've been pushing it, and it's actually added like to their GDP as well, like a lot.
Yeah.
Legalizing
it's helping with the economy. You know, the economy is growing out of this thing. They're legalizing it, but labangwane njengoba ngisho, do you think that's because labangwane ngifuna ukuthi sibe na effect ukuthi it's illegal, yeah.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ukhanzakale uyilimile without the
The
license.
license, yeah.
But ngibutela ukuthi fine vele iyalinywa. Ngibutela ukuthi mina ngiyayibona buhle bayo in the economy, in the community.
Yes.
Yeah, but because njengoba ngisho ukuthi bantu bakhile, bantu baye etikolweni, bantu baye varsity through weed. And I'm not saying I'm not
promoting.
I'm not promoting it, but we're talking because there's a platform where we just talk about stuff. Because
another thing I wanted to say to Lenza Mensah is, you know, there's the GDP of the country can be boosted if people are actually think like by Lima they make it an official business, because we can trade with other countries, because people the weed in Swaziland is in high demand because of how people actually feel like it's the best in the world.
Bro, yeah.
Swazi Gold.
And we once spoke about this thing around parliament. Yeah, but I remember there were once discussions about to legalize it or yes or no. But I think was agreement here with if you have this permits and stuff. So with that being said, in as much as Sishito contribute to economy, but because I've watched a video on YouTube by ngicuthangisho abantu abadala bogogo bakutshela ukuthi baphilisa ngayo le things zabo. Ufuna ukubuta ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi nasa illegalize ukuthi nje kuthi okay njengoba usho Islam emavethi legal fully legal ukuthi sithi okay wonke mvu angayilima njengoba silima ummbila silima in. Now ucabanga can it help with the economy, or it can like reduce maybe ingenta le quality production ye weed yehle, because utaba nebantu abalima kakhulu like if you know this thing that they say when the supply is high and net demand
demand and supply when there's too much in supply, then there's the demand down.
Exactly.
Because
everyone thing, supply and demand, those things. I forget this thing. Ceteris paribus. That's the term. That's the term. Is it Latin or something? Ceteris paribus. Yeah, that's the thing. So bengifuna ukubuta ukuthi now ucabanga what's your take on that? Because nasingayilima sonke ucabanga ukuthi nendekani and stuff.
Okay, masingayilima sonke, I think it would. Okay, there's a possibility where we would say now that everyone is doing it, it will from the price it usually once was. But even this night benefit is international markets. Now we'll be able to easily move it, like because now it's legal for us to have it outside the borders and stuff. If we can make it that readily available, it'll also give us more buyers internationally. People will be more like it'll be more readily available. And there'll be more people who want Swazi Gold. It'll be like, let's say Swazi Gold is the Louis Vuitton of clothes.
Bro.
You've seen how Louis Vuitton is expensive because it's the quality. Exactly. So throughout the whole world, there's obviously you might live in anywhere else in the world, but it won't be Swazi Gold. It won't be the Louis Vuitton of Insao.
Yeah, and like I think exporter more, which is I think really will contribute to be a good thing in the economy. Yeah. So I think that's what I want us to address. So you can tell us on the comment section what you think.
Yeah, give us your input
and your experience on weed, on Guti, maybe now is or something. Because me, I've once had an experience of weed.
It was a good play.
Bro. It was first okay. I'll take like I was in high school, dog.
Yeah.
But because I'm the type of person that's like I'm so I was that type of person with I wanna feel. So it was edibles. I wanted to feel, and it was in school, bro. Bro, the whole class, dog. I think half of the class we had those edibles, dog. What was it? Was it? Nah, it was popcorn, I think. I think something of mine. Lomchita wami yamshaya le popcorn wayithumela yena vele amshaya ekhaya sayipheka ngathi wayithumela yafika seyiletha lomunye like 3 bags.
Yeah.
Bro, ngaphuma raw yabathi iphuma raw esikolweni. Isikole singapheli. I think it was around boy 11.
Yeah.
Because I was starting to talk shit, bro. I was starting to come to some heavy dances, bro.
Kuna sosa stage lapho classini.
Bro, ngavele ngathi no ngihambe. My little bro, I remember when I got home, ngavele ngalala nangivuka ngivuka kuse bro ngilambe ini. Ngivuka ngithela bro ngathi ngizama ukupheka sengapheka le into engazange ngicabanga ngathi ase ama chicken portion ngafaka ebhodweni. Ngavele ngabilisa check chicken portions though and I put salt inside.
Yeah.
Literally chicken portions, abila, faka swai. Then I ate, dog. Ew, bro. The thing, and I was like, yeah. Now I know I can be able to tell my kids, yeah, it Swazi Gold, yeah, but yeah, other people say it helps them deal with stress, meditation, because it's a herb.
Yeah, that's the thing. Most people say, well, since it's a herb, it can be used for medicinal purposes. It could help.
Asthma also.
Yeah.
But you can stimulate it now
asthma. Yeah, because never then at the end of the day, it's a herb. Just like tongeje, like corner, they can also let down as medicine. So they could also help people who are actually sick.
And I think they also sit lapho ke letin for lethu ukuthi the ngoba nje sesibonile ukuthi nema products phinze lamanye la ndiwa utinsipho some oils and everything, but it's good for your hair, it's good for your skin. So maybe legalizing kwayo kungaba nawo ukuthi vele sekuyasivula naso ukuthi seletin for letiningi lebesicabanga ukuthi angeke sisconnected which is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I wanted us. What else do we want to talk about, Kapana? Besides this, I think we've covered everything. I think if we leave at something, Lana, I think I attend on weed.
They'll drag us back in the comments.
Drag us back there for part 2 or something.
Yeah, but I would say there's this. And also maybe there's someone who wanna be a guest. I see Van getting fully.
No need to patch.
Yeah.
But I think I roll Lana.
Show you I would say that dilute.
Yeah, we amateurs this thing. We know we just talking from
our perspective.
We are perspective, so we need.
Then maybe someone's gonna come to roll something and be like you say.
I be like,
hey,
it's the necessary. So like because labanye ufuna kuva, I want to ask someone because labanye when they smoke weed they productive, labanye
so clearly
and stuff.
So clearly it affects in different ways.
In different ways.
So very it would be nice to have like a guest who would say, you know what, weed makes me sleepy, very cancer, and then someone else was like, nah, that thing helps me out because it gives me focus.
Yeah. But like what do you but finally it's different. So stoners, banfula batanzani dibachela batanzisa weed. Come to the podcast.
Yeah,
come through.
Yeah.
Next episode. Come through.
Just be like, hey, you wanna appear.
What else, Gapana, do you wanna talk about?
Yeah, now this one. What about we talked about? I remember last time we talked about things fear holding us back as people.
Things that's holding us back.
Yeah. And there was someone living Kumanai, and they gave an interesting topic. They were just talking about how they feel like Swazi living as a Swati. It has been held back by firstly. They wanted to on cultural things, and also sometimes religion is holding us back. So I want to I'm helpful with this way very asking. Hey, every time we say this. Now let's hear your opinion. I want you to clarify for me. Do you think things like religion and culture are holding Swaziland back?
From I think. I think
the first question.
No, the thing is I have to think about it because it depends on how you look at this thing, because when if uthi emasiko, which is culture, are holding us back, I think things for ukuthi ufuna to interpret njani wena umuntu. It's just like religion, You can be the most religious person, and it depends about because nyalo yabona Christianity but they've broken it down into
so many
segments yabo ukuthi like when we are Roman when you check so ukhanze ukuthi omnye umfundisi wami ukhanta akutshela ukuthi insango ngayibhema is just a herb because it grows from the soil ngiyabekisa ukhanze umuntu athi ke yeah insango ngayibheme insango vele yasathana el drug is done so ngiko lo ngento esicabanga ukuthi the question ngiyayiphendula njani because mina I'd literally say kukholwa akuvimbi ukuthi wende info lofuna kena because nangathatha le religion ngiyibise ne culture ukuthi I'll go back to the point here weed because we were about it earlier. Ukuthi nje weed ekatheni ngeculture bavele bayisebenzisa nophathe inhloko babamba bawoyikha you could steam with it you could babe bathi bengayibhema na meditator uyabo so ukhanze ukuthi angadi noma le religion nengolo maybe that's the point where it has to be ukuthi usuke wabeka ukuthi can it coexist or kukanje
ukuthi someone the guy who made this point was talking about religion sometimes not saying I also why call it religion but I'd say religion it makes you look at certain things that are regarded as like maybe advancements in society will say no this thing is evil this thing and sometimes it's innocent enough look I would say how does the religion interpret or the people who are practicing Christianity, how do they interpret this thing? Like I would say, you know what, this thing is evil, he wouldn't take those things. Which is another problem. They think would say, if Jesus was here, Jesus would say no to this, Jesus wouldn't say so. Then we end up banning certain things because even if you don't ban it, Jebaba must entertain them because they feel like it would be against Christianity or against if we were in other countries against their own like religion.
Bro, this thing is so tricky, bro, because religion has been broken down into so many things. Because for instance, like in the makeup, like it's a lot of things. Khona amasonto funa afika avuma athi ke hayi thina sifuna umuntu angene nje aye esontweni na ufikile uNkulunkulu ukuthanza njengokunjalo kunalabanye abantu akukhondema lokho bathi ke hey ngeke mina ngithi esontweni nebantu labafake emabhluku labafake emaciki labafake emaruji laba makeup abo maweave so ngiko ngithi I think it's another topic like because I think we could spend the whole day talking about this because kuyasifaka sandla vele ekuthini into ithuthuke kongi depending on ukuthi ubeka kanjani because at the same time one thing you have to understand about the nature of people is that people evolve people move even like 7 days you discard it and move to the next thing we've been doing that even momkhulu
everything we do
noma ngabuka creator kwalelive bantu laba creator elive leli bebachamuka kulenye indzawo so nangasakusebenteli kuhlela kulendzawo lena shift baba uye kulenye indlela ekahle so holding back holding on to something of the past sometimes ingakulimata that's what Kanye West was trying to say ukuthi okay fine we see history and we get it but asesikhuluma in future nyalo ungabe usitshela ukuthi mina emkhulu wami beka nemali siyakuva lokho embili takwendekanya yabo so I think letinfo leto lobodisho kule religion nale culture if vele we gonna be stuck in it ukuthi vele solo sifuna kuba sidzala ini we're not saying it's bad but fola ukuthi unga implement kanjani because even the technology yenyu kufanele nemfundiso takutshela ukuthi angifuni mina ku recordwa nangishumayela maybe then you ask yourself ukuthi bengine pandemic bantu digital so I think dealing letinfo lokufanele ukuthi
understand nana ukuthi this like maybe technology inakhona engasita nini ezimakhono because if you were saying ukuthi vele when awathi lokushumayela imbi kwebantu physically as the only way futhi vele bokutawula imali kakhulu ngesikhathi se-COVID because vele you need to like yabo broadcaster via boZoom
you know so right now I think kuyasifaka sandla so to answer your question ngisho ukuthi Yes. Yeah, but it would depend which one flow kanjani. If you're still stuck vele in the past, angeke vele size that's isikhathi ukuthi sifike embili ukuthi develop improve nekuthi as a country isikhule nokukhulisa economy because into solo sidibuka ngendlela we stuck in the past. Yabo fanele ukuthi sale bantu abefuna sikhuluma ilanguage ngoba understand. Imagine bro, ukhanza head of state isebenzisa licingo licingo lenga compromisewa easy. Lo muntu uyi head of state. Lo muntu ngabe usebenzisa and well advanced phone ngabe usebenzisa iPhone into evula ngefingerprint. That's why a lot of things delika they must stay twat. It's because even the people that are there abekho skilled. Ngalo ukuthi they're still stuck in the past. Manje sinangiphethe icingo. Kephana ngaba every time nakafika ekhaya uhlala kusofa. Hey, asenengifake le WhatsApp. Information yonke yele live icingo la liniketa umuntu athi akamfake le WhatsApp. So I think utaslimata vele we need to move with times. Technology is improving nathi fanele
we should improve man,
so that sitawukhona ukuthi singabi bantu laba ngadati netinto yabo. So yeah, so I think for now, not unless we're leaving something out. What do you think?
What could it be? What could it be?
Bro, I think...
Unless... No.
No, it's not a problem, bro. No, we're going to come through with more episodes, more segments. Just tell us topics.
Yeah.
Because it's literally like we wake up, sit on this therapeutic couch, and we just talk.
Yeah, we just talk, and right now
we just talk. We don't write stuff down because we want it to be like the kind of conversations that we have.
Yeah, just
then we just put a camera in front of us, then we talk, and try to think nani nicabanga ini ngale tinto let, you know. So you guys must hit us up with more topics. Hit us up if you wanna come through to the channel, and
exactly.
What else?
No, just subscribe, obviously. Likes, of course. Helping us grow.
Share.
Yeah, that's a huge
share.
Yeah.
We're growing this community. We're growing this Tube channel.
Road to 1K.
Road to 1K.
Road to 1K.
Road to 1K. And best Tube channel in the country. You know the vibes,
exactly.
Bro. So
shout out. I think that Road to 1K. Masters Speed. Thank you in advance.
In advance. Yeah, bro.
And Masters Speed, you know who's in the channel always grows. Road to 1K, down road to 2K.
And also like check us out on our Instagram.
Yeah.
We're gonna put here banelewjlm
and Kush.
So we out of it. See you on the next episode.
Lucifer told me I'm the one. She just left out saying goodbye. But I'll be good. I just gotta show my life.